Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am. Ako po si Ralph Cifras, ang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to review the Marvel Legends X-Men 97 na Storm, Jean Grey, Rogue, and Goblin Queen. So first, dito muna tayo kay Storm. Storm stands at around 6.5 inches tall dahil dun sa kanyang hair extensions na mohawk style. Super nice mohawk na hair sculpt na white na colored hair, super cool. Ganda ng contrast ng kanyang costume. So you have yellow, whites, and black and red dun sa X na logo. Meron din siyang earrings dito, color yellow. And in terms of build and sculpt, very nice. Meron lang konting mga seam lines, pero okay lang yan kasi customize naman natin siya into a comic book style repaint. You have the shoulder pads, merong yellow trim, and then you have the X-Men logos dito, communicators. Meron siyang yellow trim dito sa across the chest, sa stomach, and sa belt. Meron siyang yellow belt buckle. Also yung suit niya is white, very white, parang siyang pearl white. Itong part na to glossy, ito matte. Okay, itong part na to yung sa stomach niya, glossy plastic. Then you have the feet. Meron din siyang cape na para siyang cloth. Hindi siya cloth eh. Parang synthetic na part. Synthetic cloth. Yan. Na nakatali dito sa kanyang arms. Or naka-loop. Pag tinanggal niya yung peg ng kanyang hands, pwede niya tanggalin to. Hindi ko lang sure kung matatanggal ba. Oh. Plastic, naka-attach ito via plastic. Hindi ko lang sure kung matatanggal ito. Ay, okay, natatanggal din pala. Okay, that's nice para ma-repaint natin siya ng mas maayos. Okay, next, meron siyang alt hands, so one closed and one open palm. Next, we have Jean Grey. You have the alt head. Meron siyang mask na or head na accessory. Itong color blue, metallic blue yung color. Very nice head sculpt. And red orange vibrant hair. Look at the sections na na pagkaka-sculpt nitong kanyang hair. It's very cool, very well sculpted. Ito naman naka ponytail, yun naman naka no ponytail version. Okay, this one's the ponytail version. Pwede mong i-rotate to. Tapos you have the suit, you have the orange, parang siyang light, parang siyang melon orange na suit, and blue na part or section dito sa chest and sa belt. You have the X logo here sa kanyang belt. Very nice contrast, parang siyang skin tone, parang malapit na rin sa skin tone tong kanyang suit. Tapos may mga panel lines din dito sa kanyang legs and part ng feet. Tapos meron siyang blue sections dito sa kanyang arms and gauntlet type dito sa kanyang forearms. Okay, ang accessories niya, ito, dalawang alt hands na may blue sections. Next, we have Rogue. Very nice face sculpt. The hairs well sculpted too. We have the white part and the brown part or maroon part. Look at the face. Very nice. Very expressive face, pointed nose, very fine na print sa kanyang eyes, and red lips. You have the collar, X logo, yellow suit, green sections, yellow boots, yellow gloves, and the green undersuit. Tsaka ito yung maganda sa kanya, meron siyang green military green na jacket, and you also have the X logo na black outline tsaka red na color inside the negative space ng X, and here's the back. Okay, tapos ito naman si Goblin Queen with her baby Nathan Summers. So this is Cable. Okay, meron pa siyang ganda ng blanket design kasi textured siya, and meron ding mga X-Men na logo. The baby's hair is light brown. Meron din siyang very nice baby head sculpt and very expressive eyebrows and eyes. Ito naman si Goblin Queen. You have the cape. Very nice sculpted cape. na hindi siya, ito yung pattern niya dito, very irregular. Hindi siya yung parang straight na cape like Batman's or yung may mga curve. Very irregular pattern. Dito black, dito naman sa inside maroon. Yung skin tone niya medyo nasa pink side. Tapos yung hair niya halos kapareho nung kay Jean Grey. Yan, kasi clone siya ni Jean Grey. You have the black suit, red na medallion, and yellow na parang outline dun sa medallion to hold the cape. Tapos ito sa suit niya, you have the chest area, stomach, tapos dark gray itong part na to. Actually sa show, I think skin tone itong part na to. Yan. Ginawa nilang gray dito sa toy, sa laruan na version. Tapos ito yung kanyang very high boots, and ito yung kanyang heels. So, dark gray ang kanyang, very dark gray yung kanyang color scheme, and orange. Very nice contrast. And meron din siyang mga effects na green swirls or spirals. Tapos ito yung kanyang alt hands, and this one's Nathan Summers. Sa articulation naman, this is the Marvel basic articulation. You can go 360 sa arms, tapos head can look up, down, rotate. Dito sa Jean, kay Jean, pwede matanggalin yung kanyang hair. Okay, tapos so, meron bicep rotation, double jointed elbow, ab stretch, crunch, kick. Tapos pwede mo i-bend yung knee, double jointed, and ball joint yung paa. So yun mga ma'am sir, yun ang ating review ng Storm, Jean Grey, Rogue, and Goblin Queen. Sino ang favorite ko dito? I think pinakamaganda sa akin si Rogue, Goblin Queen, Jean Grey, and Storm. So yun yung yun yung preference ko. Alright, so yun lang mga ma'am sir. Thank you very much for watching. Sa next video, i-custom repaint na natin sila. Okay? Thank you very much for watching, and see you sa next video. Bye bye.